Well, we found that pesky vibration in the Falcon. Let's get into it. So, welcome back to the channel, guys. Bit of an impromptu video that we weren't planning on doing, but had to be done. Now, if you remember, when we were at the last event at Wanneroo Raceway, I was talking about a vibration. And yeah, I got under the car and it was pretty quick to realise what the problem was. So, car's up on jacks, and of course, first thing I did was look at the tail shaft, and it was pretty clear. Center bearing is flogged. Look at that. Hanging on by a thread. Actually super surprised that we got 200 k's an hour out of that thing and there was no problems, but shows you how good the Falcons are, mate. They keep you going. So yeah, we have to do something about that. Excuse the mess, guys, but just a quick one. But yeah, obviously we're lucky enough where we've got the one with the uni joint, also the one with the uni joint that has the circlip, so we can actually service this tail shaft. It's already been out before. You can see marks on it. This coupling's in good nick. So yeah, typical Falcon things you got to worry about with the center bearing is you got to measure the distance between these holes. There's two sizes. I think it's 175 and 214 mil or 215 mil, and then you got to measure the inside diameter of that. But obviously you can't do that till you pull it apart. So I just got both. And obviously a brand new uni joint for when we smash that apart. So we're going to take all those apart and then take it to the old man's and we'll get into it. Alright, we're at the old man's house. Got the tail shaft. Come here because he's got better tools and a bit of a knowledge. So we'll rip that apart and get into it. There's a clip. You can see, start off by taking the circlips out before we get the uni joint out. Right, uni joint's off. We just got to get this nut off, mark it up, and then we can get this old center bearing off. Alright, center bearing's off. We measured it up and it ended up being the 30mm one, so looks like it's all the same. So we tap that back on, get the uni joint back in and chuck it back in the car. There you have it. Totally reassembled, center bearings on, uni joints redone, circlips are in. Now we just got to put it back in the car. Well, we're back. There's plenty of videos out on YouTube showing you how to actually fit the tail shaft, so I wasn't actually going to bore you guys with that, but it seems to be done. Big shout out to our main sponsor who basically funded the parts for this, Cody at Great Western Lawns. Really appreciate it, bro. Definitely came in handy when you sent me that money. So and also my dad for obviously helping put this tail shaft together. So I'm gonna go take it for a test drive and then I'll let you guys know how it went. Well, looks to be the vibrations pretty much fixed. I mean, there's always Falcon stuff, but what it was doing before is definitely gone. So we'll call that a win. Well, there you have it, guys. It's all fitted up, fixed up. We've got the center bearing done and we're ready for next weekend's racing. So just a quick one for you, just letting you know, guys know what's going on. So thanks for watching. Till the next one, we'll see you next weekend for the Albany Wind Farm Hill Climb. We'll see you later.